tracking coronavirus.
The president declares a national state of emergency.
This will help funding for fighting the coronavirus outbreak. There are still 15 cases in the state. Nationally, there are 1,629 confirmed cases with 41 deaths. 47 states have at least one case. We are breaking down how this will impact your everyday life, from school closings to court dates, working from home, and fighting off germs. We head to CBS 17's Zach Dahlheimer, who is at the Emergency Operations Center.
And Zach, they just wrapped up their daily briefing, so any big changes?
No big changes, Maggie, but they did break down the numbers to us, confirming 15 cases around the state, no deaths, and that they will not be closing schools down here in North Carolina at this time. Now, state health officials also said as of 8:45 this morning, 101 tests have been done. Now, unlike other states like Virginia, state officials here in North Carolina say no public schools will be closed down. Secretary Dr. Mandy Cohen says they're following the recommendation from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, which doesn't currently recommend preemptive school closures.
Now, what I would say is that we're going to be taking in a lot of inputs, including understanding what our state partners are doing. So we want to be on the phone with folks in Virginia and Maryland to understand their decisions. We want to hear from our superintendents. We want to hear from our communities and take in all that information. So we are where we are in terms of recommendations right now, but things, like I said, continue to evolve rapidly, and we'll be in touch if things change.
And state health officials also responded to large gatherings reported to still be taking place tonight after the governor's recommendation yesterday. We're working on that. We'll have more on that for you coming up later tonight at 6 o'clock. But for now, we're live in Raleigh. Zach Dahlheimer, CBS 17 News.